In the related business video, we saw how STEP users can now easily integrate external assets directly from the demo-up Cliplister DAM. Now let's look in logical sequence at how this integration is configured. First, we have the required shared configuration properties, including the ID of the classification folder where the DAM assets will be located, the DAM connector to be used, and the various settings for constructing DAM calls from STEP. The object type holding Cliplister DAM assets must be defined, as well as the attribute holding the Cliplister asset IDs. These values are then used to populate the external stored asset model. Cliplister inbound integration endpoints use the standard asset importer process engine. This requires an asset importer configuration as part of the endpoint definition. The asset importer is extremely flexible and can be configured to meet customer needs. In this case, we can see that the importer automation will build a two-level hierarchy based on asset file name, located under the DAM asset's root location. It will match assets based on name, and it will only process assets of the DAM asset object type. And it will match assets to products based on name and link them using the DAM primary image reference type. Finally, let us look at the inbound integration endpoint itself, configured to use the asset importer process engine. The critical setting is the new demo-up Cliplister Pre-processor. This preprocessor manages the conversion of inbound Cliplister assets for import by the standard asset importer. The REST receiver configuration manages the Cliplister integration calls. And if we look in more detail at the endpoint configuration, we can see the definition of the asset importer configuration we've just reviewed, plus the handle content option for external data entries to handle the inbound Cliplister assets. So as we can see, configuration of the demo-up Cliplister DAM integration to STEP is a relatively straightforward process. And finally, we should also note that this flexible and powerful integration architecture can be extended to support other DAM applications as required by business.